This is day 4 of the bike computer installation, or perhaps DIY bike computer progress. We have attached the GPS module to Arduino Uno, and we hooked up the I2C 16 to 9 LCD display as well. Has a blue backlight as well as a white text. We're gonna hook up the ultrasonic sensor as well as the PIR sensor, which is going to detect if there's a human or an animal in front of the bike. Got the battery recharge booster recharge and boosting board. We got the empty PCB board here. We got the side switch. Shit, I dropped it. Sorry. Yep, everything is going pretty well. Hopefully we can see a final product soon. It's going to be fairly simple. Going to make a hole using a Dremel on the aluminum plate. Hopefully things are going to go well. See you later.